Hey y'all, I am back with another video. This is your girl Harris Janae. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button. Also press the bell button beside it so you can get notified when I do upload new videos. Okay, so I did collaborate with Natural Club to bring you this video. As you see here, my hair is pretty much done and I am so in love, y'all. I'm gonna say this is like my best deep conditioner routine that I've ever done. Why? Because my hair feels so clean and fresh and my curls are just popping. My curls were popping with me just putting the deep conditioner in my hair. So that just lets you know a lot. And they do customize this solution. They got dull, dry, they got one for dull, dry, and damaged hair. So the one I did select was for dry hair. If you do receive this product, you do want to make sure that you put it in the freezer or the refrigerator. This is an all natural ingredient product, okay? And also they were so nice to you guys. We are going to be doing a giveaway and all of the details in the giveaway will be in my description box as well. Also, they are giving y'all a 10% off discount code. So that's another way for you to get a discount in using this product. I really would love for you guys to try this product out because I am giving y'all my honest opinion in this video and I really feel that this is the best deep conditioner that I've used so far. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions for me, just give me shoot me out a question in my comment box as well. Also, again, don't forget to look in this description box to enter the giveaway and I really hope y'all enjoy. God bless. So I'm starting off with an old wash and go. It's like 7 days old. It's all crusty and fried. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair. Okay y'all, so I am back from washing my hair. When I wash my hair, I use the Aussie Moist shampoo. It feels very dry right now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try the Natural Club Deep Condition. This is how it looked. Now you can't really see it well because the white balance if I tilt it, man. I just opened the box and in it comes this, it looks like a newsletter and it also explains what's all in the box. I have a deep conditioner in here, a hair serum, a hair tie, a hair cap, and it has an ingredient information sheet which basically explains what's in all of the products here, and it also includes a spray bottle as well. So you're supposed to let the deep conditioner sit in your hair for at least 20 to 40 minutes. So that is exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So the first thing that I do see here is the spray bottle that I did mention. You do want to use a spray bottle. So like right now my hair is drying up, and when you apply deep conditioner on your hair, you do want to make sure that your hair is damp, your hair is wet, so that way the product can distribute throughout your hair a little more easier. And this is the hair cap, the protective cap. It's in this little package if you can see it. And this is the hair tie that actually comes with. So this is what I'm gonna be putting on my hair as well. But this is the hair serum that you're supposed to apply once a week. It comes with 2 of these right here, as you can see. So I'm gonna start off applying it on my ends. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Look at the curls. Like the curls are, yes! So my hair, I did apply all of the deep conditioner on there as you see here. So now I'm going to put the hair tie that they gave me on my hair, and also I'm going to put the shower cap so that way I can sit under it for at least 20 minutes. So I did go ahead and rinse out the deep conditioner, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the hair serum that they provided and just put that all over my hair. And I'm just loving the way my hair is feeling, y'all. Like this is the best. Like look at the shine of my hair. So unfortunately this is the end of the video. Here go my results. I did use some styling gel and just went on ahead and styled it. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and God bless.